Hoffman. I graduated from the Sanford School of Public Policy with a master's in public policy in 2017. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. I am talking to you from Denver, Colorado. I serve as the Director of External Affairs for DSST Public Schools, which is a network of charter middle schools and high schools in Denver and Aurora. We serve over 6,300 students. Over 70% of them are low income and qualify for free and reduced lunch. But since we've been graduating high school seniors, 100% of them have been accepted to four-year colleges and universities, many of whom are first-generation college students. I have spent the last 2 to 3 weeks very much focused on policy issues, mostly centered around access for our students and families. So during this time where many folks are at home, some have lost their source of income or employment, how can we ensure that our families are retaining access to basic services such as housing, access to food, access to internet services? We are also now moving in the direction after we've taken our spring break scheduled time of distance learning. So how can we ensure that all of our students continue to have access to the high quality education that we are providing them? And how do we problem solve around various issues such as our students who have special education designations and the accommodations and modifications that might come along with different learning plans, to our students who might not have reliable internet access at home. I think a lot about my public management class at Sanford. So how can we be avoiding any unintended consequences or pitfalls as we move in this direction? And as we figure everything out, how are we bringing our stakeholders along with us with clear, concise, and very frequent communications? So I am Hillary Hoffman, and this is why public policy matters.